Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to edit VLC Media Player shortcuts or hotkeys. Open VLC Media Player on your PC. In the top menu bar, click on the Tools option. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Hotkeys tab. List of all the VLC Media Player shortcuts are shown here. Double-click on the shortcut you want to edit. A hotkey change option is displayed. Press the key combination to change it. For example, currently F key is set as shortcut key for full screen. Let's say you want to change that to SHIFT+Enter. To do that, just hold the Shift key and press Enter. If the shortcut key is already used up, then a warning message is displayed, otherwise change is made. Click on the Save button on the bottom right to apply the changes. Now open a media file on your PC. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and press Enter. As you can see, full screen window is activated. This is how you can edit VLC Media Player shortcuts or hotkeys. Thank you for watching.